Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best rice cookers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the world of culinary convenience, exploring the features, benefits, and performance of the finest rice cookers available this year. We understand that a perfect bowl of rice can elevate your meal, and choosing the right cooker can make a world of difference. So stay tuned until the end as we reveal a game-changing feature in our number 1 pick that has revolutionized the way we cook rice. You wouldn't want to miss this. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Greenlife Go Grains Rice Cooker. Number 4. Nutribullet Everygrain Rice Cooker. Number 3. Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy NS ZCC 10 Rice Cooker. Number 2. Aroma Housewares ARC 994 SB Rice and Rice Cooker. Number 1. Zojirushi Induction Heating System and Warmer Rice Cooker.